We started to see that rain about 3 p.m. and it did not let up until just a few hours ago. That was true for all of Oregon and all of Washington, and now Idaho's included in that as well. This morning we are finally starting to see these showers taper off a bit, but not after bringing in quite impressive totals. So the most rain that we saw here across the state of Oregon was out at Goodwin Peak. That's up in the Coast Range just before you get to Florence. A whopping 5 inches of rain fell there. Again in the past 24 hours. For the coast, this was also a storm that brought in some strong winds. Your peak wind gust at Cape Foulweather was 74 miles per hour, right at the edge of a Category 1 hurricane. Eugene also saw a lot of rainfall. We picked up 1.38 inches of rain, and the last time we saw that much rain in a 24-hour period, you have to go all the way back to spring. March 20th through 21st is when we picked that. That was actually the first day of spring. We didn't see any more rain than that all the way through the rest of the spring season or into the summer either. And you may remember that's when we saw that snow, 8 inches of snow there on the 21st as well. So this you could call a winter storm for sure. Corvallis, not quite as much as rain, about half of what we saw here in Eugene. Same story for those of you in Roseburg. Very impressive, though, out near Redmond, picking up almost an inch with this storm. And for the coast, over an inch for both Newport, Florence as well, included in this, and down in North Bend. Now, this morning, most of the showers are confined here to the northwest corner of the state and up across Washington. We're going to continue to see a few lingering showers. You can see they're pretty isolated, popping up here or there, and that'll continue through about lunchtime today, but nothing like what we saw yesterday afternoon or during the overnight hours. Now, when you head over to Central Oregon, you could also continue to see a few showers here or there this morning, but also all of the blue areas that you see here are under a wind advisory. That continues until 8 p.m. tonight. We're looking at gusts up to about 45 miles per hour. So again, that storm is now pushing on into western Idaho. Yesterday, we had that warm air coming out of the south, also very moist air. This morning, it's the opposite. Winds out of the northwest, bringing that chilly air and the dry conditions as well. So that's what we're going to see today, or at least the rest of today, all the way through Thursday. We'll also see some foggy conditions likely Wednesday and Thursday morning as well. Now by Friday, the next storm, it's already developing here, and that'll bring in another round of rain showers. So just about 2.5 days before that rain does return. For the coast today, high temperatures are going to stay at about 60. Again, a few lingering showers, winds staying out of the northwest. Dry but foggy Wednesday and Thursday, showers return starting Friday. The Umpqua Basin, you'll be in the mid-60s, partly sunny for you today. You'll get up to 69 Thursday, but then back down into the low 60s by next weekend. The Cascades also cooling down, upper 40s for the high temperatures there. Central Oregon will be in the upper 50s and low 60s. Again, the main concern is the winds there today with gusts up to about 35. Wednesday and Thursday, though, will be sunny, dry, even warm up to 70, but we will see chances for some light rain there through the weekend. And for the valley highs, will be in the low 60s today. An isolated shower here or there. Winds will be much calmer from the west at about 5 to 10. Morning fog, afternoon sunshine. Chilly starts to the day for Wednesday and Thursday. Scattered showers return Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday looking pretty chilly with highs staying in the 50s.